Well, hey guys, just a quick update for World Unity. As you guys know, this is a platform that we've been in now for a couple of weeks. They have their first summit going on right now in Colombia. And as we said, as soon as we get information, we would share it with you guys. And we talked about them releasing information on a couple of apps that they've been working on. We've been talking about that in our past couple of updates. And they just posted inside their Telegram about their sports app. So we'll cover that. It's just a teaser video, but we'll share that with you guys. Other than that, the platform is doing what it's supposed to be doing. The packages are paying out. Super simple to get in. USDT TRC20 in and out of the platform. You can make up to 20% per month passively, even if you don't share it with anybody. And if you do share it with people and you decide to build a team, there is an affiliate program you can tap into. So real quick, not a financial advisor. Never take anything I see as financial advice. If you are going to get into World Unity or anything we talk about, please do your own research and due diligence and only put in what you can afford to lose, guys. Risk capital only. Also follow me on Telegram, and we'll leave a link for that down below. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So this will be a quick one. As I've mentioned in my last couple of update videos, they have their first summit going on in Colombia. And as far as their sports app and their new apps that they're launching, all of that's we're gonna get all the details of that over the next couple of days. But their licenses, their packages, they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. Very simple to get in. 3 that you can choose from, right? Depending on how much you're putting in. They have their basic, right? The start license. This initial package, anywhere from 20 USDT to 299 USDT. You'll earn up to 10% per month. The premium, 300 USDT to 999 USDT. You can earn anywhere from 10 to 15% a month. And then 1,000 USDT and above will get you into the professional license. This package pays out up to 20% per month, between 15 and 20% per month. So, this thing is doing what it's supposed to be doing. Withdrawals in and out of the platform are very, very smooth. USDT TRC20 in and out. And just showing you here this quick promotional sizzle video they just posted here. So it says here, we're excited to share some great news with you. Soon we'll be launching our complete digital ecosystem designed to take our experience to the next level. Get ready to discover a new era of innovation and connectivity. Follow us to stay informed. And this is the promotional video right here. So as I've mentioned, they do have, they're going to have these apps. We have talked about that before. I just didn't know what I was able to talk about, but my sponsor told me a little bit about it. He told me, not to mention too much about it, but there is a sports betting app, and it looks like a broker app that they're going to be launching. So be ready for that. As soon as we get all the details, I'm going to make sure I give you that. But again, while we're getting ready for the launch of those new services, packages themselves, again, they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. You can make up to 20% per month passively. And there is a comp plan, a comp plan that is, pretty lucrative if you decide to build a team that you can tap into. But again, totally optional. But other than that, just a quick update, let you know that this thing is doing what it's supposed to be doing. Withdrawals are very, very quick. Just letting you know that this one is cranking. And they got some new stuff that they're going to be launching here over the next couple of days. I guess as they move out of their summit, we're going to have a lot of stuff that they're going to be rolling out. So just a quick update, let you know. Follow me on Telegram, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.